In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get a tracking number from your supplier and upload it to your customer. Two things you need to have open is you need to have your email open. You also need to have your Shopify store open. Once you receive an email from the supplier telling you that their order is on the way and you can track it via Australia Post tracking with the tracking ID, copy this tracking ID. 9 times out of 10, the email will be sent to your email address, not your customer's email address, because you do not want the supplier to be sending an email to your customer. What we're going to do here is we're going to take this tracking ID with Australia Post. We're going to head over to our Shopify store. We're going to hit orders, come down to the order. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to add tracking. Put the tracking number in with Australia Post. And press save. See here where it says send notification email to customer? Press save. That is going to email the customer now saying thank you for purchasing. Your parcel is on the way. Please track it with Australia Post with all the tracking ID. So that will be available for them to do right away. Very quick, very easy to do. It is not a hard thing to do. The good thing about usually when you're dropshipping an Australian supplier, for an example, it literally only takes your supplier to send your item out probably 2 to 5 days. It's quite quick. 9 times out of 10 that I don't really even upload the tracking ID to a customer unless they've kind of requested it. Because usually, as I said, they order on Monday. They're going to get it Wednesday, Thursday anyway. Time they order it, they're going to receive it before they get the tracking ID. But it's always a good idea, to get into the routine of uploading your tracking ID, tracking numbers, because at the end of the day, you don't want to get, it's annoying once you get customers, hi, where's my tracking ID? Where's my tracking ID? I haven't received anything yet. Get into the routine of doing it. It will save you a lot of customer service work. But if you have a great supplier who delivers stuff in 2 to 3 days, you can get away with not uploading the tracking ID. But when you first get started, I would definitely suggest for you to upload your tracking IDs to the customers. Okay, thank you.